All right, time for some Wednesday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we're going to begin in Columbus with Reagan Hutto celebrating number 7. Happy birthday, Reagan.
The party stays in the bus with an 11th birthday for Faith Johnson. Hope it's a great one, Faith.
And we've got our very own reporter, MMJ, Anthony Saviello. He looks like he's very surprised right there. Perhaps we caught him off guard. Anthony celebrating a birthday today as well. Happy birthday to you.
I tell you what, he's been a breath of fresh air in our newsroom. Really enjoy having him on our team.
He is. He's very, very, very cool.
All right, happy birthday, Anthony. Hope you have a great one. And let's see, also on our list, we've got Pat McSherry turning 64. I'm sorry about that. Pat is 64 in Columbus.
And over in Erie, we've got Mel Strickland celebrating another year wiser as well. Happy birthday, Mel. Now this list, that's only 5 birthdays, guys. There's got to be more birthdays in the 4 states. Tanya, where do these folks need to send them to make sure we can celebrate them?
Make sure you send them to this email, and you can send the anniversaries and birthdays to this. Don't forget the S on birthdays. It's simple, birthdays@KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking out the latest news, weather, and sports, make sure that you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get special deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the Birthday Club today.